Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's been so long. Like I think मैंने last week video नहीं डाली थी, उससे पहले वाले week video डाली थी और मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे अगर मैं कोई video नहीं डालती तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है oh my god, what am I missing over this weekend? So last weekend I went to this beautiful state park, that's Nockamixon Lake Park. Nockamixon State Park, and there is a Nockamixon Lake where for the first time in my life I tried kayaking. Oh my god, I was so scared. मैं इतनी डरी हुई थी जब मैं first time में try करने के लिए जा रही थी. Even जो वहाँ पे kayaks की rescue team थी, उनसे मैंने ये बोला कि I'm just a beginner. They were like, okay, even if you're a beginner. I mean, I'm not even just a beginner. मैं beginner भी नहीं हूँ. मैं ये for the first time try कर रही हूँ. तो उन्होंने मुझे बस एक ही चीज़ बोली कि just stay near to us. In case of any danger, they'll just reach me out. But no, the moment I sat in the kayak and my husband sat behind me and we were like, let's just start doing it. Let's just experience it. And I think I only kayaked for about 5 or 10 seconds just to learn left and right. Like how do you take a left turn, how do you take a right turn, and how do you give the speed to the boat. And I did not notice that we are halfway through the lake. We've crossed more than half the lake, and I was like, wow, this is amazing. It was really an amazing experience for me, and I really, really loved it. And the only thing that I'm sad about is क्योंकि अब सर्दियाँ आ रही हैं और अब मैं कायाकिंग और नहीं ट्राई कर पाऊंगी. मैं सोच रही थी कि थोड़ा सा भी अगर मौसम अच्छा होता है तो एक बार और ट्राई करूंगी बिफोर विंटर कम्स, बिकॉज आई रियली लव्ड इट. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. एंड आई होप नेक्स्ट वीकेंड या उसके नेक्स्ट वीकेंड अगर मौसम थोड़ा अच्छा होता है मैं फिर से एक बार ट्राई करूंगी. आई विल डेफिनेटली शेयर सम पिक्चर्स एंड वीडियोज अबाउट माई कायाकिंग ऑन माई इंस्टाग्राम चैनल. डू चेक देम आउट. ओके, सो कमिंग बैक टू माई दिस वीक्स प्रोजेक्ट. So this is a very common project that everybody is doing. हर कोई आजकल ये project कर रहा है and this is one of the easiest project. I know मैं हर project के लिए यही बोलती हूँ बहुत easy है, but believe me this is very easy. कुछ नहीं चाहिए इसमें, just clay चाहिए. oven baked clay हो या air dry clay हो. हम एक wall hanging बनाने वाले हैं इस clay से. And this is a sculpey clay that I ordered from Amazon. मैं इसका link अपने description box में नीचे add कर दूँगी. So you can use this. This I've used for other projects also. This is one of the great brands to use for clay projects. Okay, let's get started. So for this project, you only need clay, a rolling pin, and if you don't want to spoil your table or anything else, you can use a baking sheet or a parchment paper. Oh. Okay. Wow. So now you just need to knead this clay so that it becomes soft and easy to use. Oh my god, I think I just got my Amazon delivery. So kneading the clay is really important. इसको थोड़ा सा आप अगर मलोगे तो ये थोड़ा soft हो जाएगा. And it will be easy to roll it जब हम इसको कोई shape देंगे या कुछ भी अलग डिज़ाइन करना होगा. Ooh, this is easy and quick. I'm going to cut it out in the shape that I want. I'll be cutting out a few of them in circular shape, rest of them in whatever shape I want. Okay, so this is one such circle. So all the clay shapes are now ready and I'm going to bake them in the oven as per the baking instructions. Let's see. ओके, सो ये पहला बैच है जिसपे मैं हाफ ऑफ इट ब्लैक पेंट करूंगी और हाफ ऑफ इट वाइट रहने दूंगी. ये पहला बैच रेडी होके बाहर आ गया है ओवन से. देयर आर 2 more बैचेस जो मैं डिफरेंट तरीके से सेट करूंगी. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड विद दिस वन. तो ये अब बेक हो चुके हैं. एंड नाउ व्हाट आई नीड टू डू इज इनकी थोड़ी एजेस जो शार्प हैं मैं इनको थोड़ा सा सैंड पेपर से रब करके इनको सॉफ्ट कर दूंगी सो दैट दे आर स्मूथ एंड नो शार्प एजेस. Looks good. See this? Yeah. Okay, तो ये set अभी ready हुआ है and this is the third set that I made. I'm gonna paint these two. और for this one I'm thinking to paint it in terracotta color, and I do not have terracotta color in my acrylics. So what I plan to do is mix these 3 colors and create a terracotta color of my own. Let's see how do we create them. Yeah, it is reaching towards the same color that I want. कुछ तो terracotta जैसा color आ रहा है, but I think I need some yellow. This is very thick. बहुत ज़्यादा thick है ये color अभी. I think मुझे इसे थोड़ा सा dilute करना पड़ेगा. Maybe and maybe not. Okay, looks good. I think I am staying with this color, but I would need more color. So look at this cute little discs that I have just painted and they are now dry. Now is the time to tie them up. So what I'm going to do is insert a jute thread from here and either take it like this and then take here and then put them in the another hole. Either there's one option of tying them this way, okay? So this is one of the options, like the thread is visible in the front. Hey, come on. So the thread is visible in the front. See here. Now the second one is to not let the thread show in the front and just make it visible at the back. So you then put it from the top and take it from behind of the disc and then again take it from the top of the disc and then take it from the behind. Okay, now this one's another one. This is the, oh come on, this is the third set. Okay, now there's one more which I lied But that's a little bit time consuming. For that you need to take a bigger thread and tie them up like this and make a knot like this. I like this one because it will fill the gap that is between these two discs, but it's a little bit of time consuming, but let's see. So I believe I am going with this one and not the one that has thread on the top. Plus on the top of that, this also gives you an advantage that these discs are easily movable. Okay, so this is one of the layers that I have tied from here. यहाँ से गांठ लगाने के बाद मैंने नीचे जूट के ही tassels ऐड किए हैं, और जिससे मुझे लकड़ी पे अटैच करना है तो मैंने एक बड़ा सा रोप ऊपर टाई करने के लिए रखा है. I didn't buy it from anywhere as usual. मैं अपनी हाइक पे से गई थी और वहाँ से एक लकड़ी लेके आई. एंड देन इसके साथ ये था, आई जस्ट स्क्रैप्ड ऑफ यूजिंग इट सैंड पेपर, और उसके बाद ये बहुत अंदर से बहुत ही स्मूथ निकल के आई. सो नाउ द ओनली थिंग इज कि आई एम गोइंग टू टाई जो लूज थ्रेड्स हैं इसके इस लकड़ी पे. The moment of truth. Oh, the only thing is that this rope is not strong enough to hold this. I'll have to change this.